Hello world, welcome back to another CTFlearn challenge video. In this video, we'll be walking through the miscellaneous challenge, My Friend John. Let's get into it. Have you met my friend John? He's not so scary even though they call him the Ripper. They give you a myfriendjohn.zip file to download. I already have it downloaded for our convenience, so we're going to go ahead and unzip it. It's going to give you a userockyou.zip file. And what this is alluding to is using the rockyou.txt file as the word list when we crack this with John the Ripper, which is a password cracking tool. Now, you may need to do apt install word list like so to actually get the rockyou.txt file. And once you install that word list package, it's going to save a gzip file of rockyou.txt in user share word list. And this directory is going to be generated when you install the word list package, like so. I already have it though, so I don't need to do that. So the next step is we're going to actually use the rockyou.txt to crack the userockyou.zip file. However, the zip file itself is not in a format that John can recognize. So we actually need to use the zip to John tool on our zip file in order to have it in a readable format that we can crack with the John the Ripper tool. So we'll save this to h1.txt, which just stands for #1, because this is a multi-layer challenge and there's multiple hashes we need to crack. If we cat out our h1, we can see that it's in a format that John will recognize. Now that we have a hash version of our zip file, we can run John on our h1.txt file, like so. We'll do John tac word list to specify the word list, and we'll say /user/share/word list/rockyou.txt, like so. And then we'll do h1.txt, run that, and it almost immediately cracks it for us. We can see that the password is going to be kdbs0429, so we'll copy that. And when we go to unzip our userockyou.zip file, we can put that password in, and it's going to unzip and give us this custom list.zip file right here. Along with our custom list.zip file, we can see that there's a custom list.txt file. And what that custom list.txt file is just a custom word list file that we're going to use to crack the custom list zip file. So once again, we need to run John on the custom list.zip file, and then save that to an h2.txt, which represents hash number 2. We can print out that h2.txt file to see what it looks like. And it does look like it converted it to a readable hash value for our John the Ripper tool. So we're going to go ahead and run John on it with the same word list argument that we did before, but this time we're just going to specify the custom list.txt file. And then we're going to specify h2.txt as our hash, run that. And this password right here, which appears to be LeetSpeak for interdenominational, is going to be our next password. So we're going to copy that. We're going to unzip our custom list.zip file. Then we're going to paste that in as the password. Then we get a brute force pin.zip file. Now this time, instead of a dictionary attack, we need to use a brute force attack. And we can actually still do that with John the Ripper. But first things first, we actually need to generate a readable hash value for John from that zip file. So we'll do zip to John on the brute force pin.zip file like so, and save that to h3.txt. We can print out h3.txt to make sure that it actually converted properly, and it looks like it did. And we can actually see that there's a flag.txt inside the zip file. So this will be our final layer that we have to crack before we get our flag. So now we're going to use the John mask argument to actually brute force the flag. We're going to do John tac mask equals, and the mask is where we specify the actual character string or pattern or types of characters that we actually want to test against the hash value here. So judging by the name of the zip file itself, it's going to be a pin number, and pin numbers usually range from 4 to 6 digits. So we'll specify the character set as a digit by doing $D like so. And then we're going to specify the min length parameter, which is going to say, hey, start with this many characters, or digits in this case, which will be 4, and then go to this many digits if it needs to, which is 6. And then we're going to specify our h3.txt like so. Press enter, and it's going to try all combinations of 4 to 6 digits up until it actually cracks it, and it cracked it with the password 991337. So we'll copy that and try to unzip the brute force pin.zip file with that password. As you can see, it successfully extracted our flag. So let's go ahead and cat out the flag. And there's our flag. So now you've met John. We'll copy that, paste it in, and submit. All right, if you enjoyed the video, drop a like and subscribe to the channel to show your support. Turn on post notifications to get regular injections of cyber content directly into your feed. Check out our Patreon, join our Discord, and follow us on Twitter. Links in the description box down below. And leave any feedback or questions in the comments section down below. This is Almond Milk. Thanks for watching. Goodbye, world.